Hey there guys, the question that many people have is that if you can change actually the currency for your paper trading in Tradingview, and this is the answer. So right now, if you can change the currency in paper trading, the account currency of paper trading accounts is always USD. Profit and commission values are always converted into USD and the current exchange rate. Therefore, the account currency cannot be changed. So this is something that you have to keep in mind if you want to like work with it. So, yeah. Again, if you can have any questions, ask me down in the comments. But changing the currency is unable to do in Tradingview. So, yeah. Goodbye.